In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept Google Calendar invite. We'll use the Google Calendar website because it's the simplest and most reliable way to respond to an event. Start by opening your browser and going to calendar.google.com. If you're prompted to sign in, make sure you use the Google account where you received the invitation. If you manage multiple accounts, glance at the profile picture in the top right corner to confirm you're in the right one. Next, find the event you were invited to. You can browse by day, week, or month view, or use the search bar at the top to look up a keyword from the event title. Invited events often appear with a slightly different or dashed outline until you respond, and you might see a banner nudge about pending invitations. If you still don't see it, try refreshing the page, checking the correct date, or confirming that your calendars are turned on in the left sidebar. Once you spot the event, click it to open the details. You'll see the title, date and time, the organizer, and any location or video conferencing link included. Front and center are your response options: yes, no, or maybe. Choose yes if you're planning to attend. This confirms your spot, locks the event onto your calendar, and ensures you receive the event's reminders. It also updates the organizer's guest list so they know you're in. If you're not able to attend, select no. This removes the event from your active schedule and lets the organizer plan accordingly. If you're unsure, pick maybe. The event will remain visible on your calendar, usually with a tentative style, so you can keep it on your radar without fully committing. You can change your mind at any time. Just click the event again and select a different response. Your calendar will update instantly, and the organizer will see your latest status. If you're responding to a series, be mindful whether you're updating a single occurrence or the entire series. A few quick tips for clarity. Double-check the time zone at the bottom of the page or in your settings if the event time looks off, especially when traveling. If your calendar looks crowded, use the search bar to jump straight to the invite. And if you manage several calendars, make sure the relevant ones are toggled on so invited events are visible. That's it. Open Google Calendar, find the event, click it, and choose yes, no, or maybe. Simple, clear, and done.